All right, guys, so just like yesterday, I'm going to make 3 separate videos, and we're going to talk about how to subtract on a number line, how to subtract with expanded form using place value, and also how to subtract using our standard algorithm. I want you to take these notes in your journal so that you have the different ways. You're going to have to choose 2 that you like the best so that you have different ways to check your work, okay? So make sure you're taking these notes with me. All right, so the first way we're going to talk about is subtracting on a number line. I really like using number lines in math. I think they're a great way to show your work, just like I showed you for rounding. They're neat. I like number lines. You can do a lot with them. Okay, so you're going to start again with an open number line. Our problem that we're going to focus on today is going to be 300 minus 126. So when you added yesterday, you started at the beginning of your number line. For subtracting, we're going to start here, and we're going to work backwards because we're going to take away from that number. Okay? So we're going to start here with 300. Now, you can break this up any way you would like. I truly like saying I kind of like doing an expanded form again with it, like that, okay, where I take away first, and you see how I'm drawing the arrow backwards? That shows subtraction. Take away 100. So then that puts me at 200. Okay, I would probably, since I am subtracting across zeros and I don't have any 10s to take away, I would probably take 2 jumps here where I'm going to subtract 10 and then subtract 10 more to represent my 20. But you could do a whole jump of 20 if you feel comfortable. Well, when I take 10 away, it becomes 190. And then when I take 10 more, it becomes 180. Okay? Now I need to subtract 6. I probably wouldn't do the whole 6. You could even go one at a time. I would probably break this up so that I'm subtracting 5, and then I would probably end where I subtract 1 more. But if you feel comfortable doing the whole 6, you can. That's the good thing about number lines. You can break it apart how you want. Well, when I take 5 away, I'm at 175. And then when I take 1 more away from that, I'm at 174. And that's my answer. This equals 174.